There it is. Let's give it a cold start. Alright, we're here, first drive, first impressions. We just did a cold start there. We'll get this thing up to operating temperature, bringing up some country roads, and just to warn as well, I'm not gonna be raking it about too hard because these are all public roads. I'm not a professional driver, and I ain't looking to kill myself or anyone else. So it'll just be for a bit of fun, let you guys hear the exhaust. So inside's a nice place to be, smooth manual, plenty of room. I'm 6'1", quite wide. Basic dials, basic AC, small screen, phone mount here, super basic. But you know what? For a car like this, that's all you need. In this world, 2021, cars are coming out with AC. All the basic controls are all controlled by a screen, which is incredibly distracting whenever you're driving. So it's actually quite nice. Okay, right, here we go, here we go. We're going uphill and it's pulling strong. It's so much fun to drive. You don't have to be raking about at 150 miles an hour in a Ferrari to have fun. Sound is pumped in through a speaker. It's artificially enhanced, I guess you could say, and you know what? I kind of like it. If it was a BMW M3 that was doing it with a nice big engine, really powerful, I would be raging to have the sound pumped through a speaker. But in a 1-liter engine, in a small car, I actually kind of like it. It's not too loud outside. Oh, AMG GT360. That was an AMG GT63S that just passed there. Beautiful. Feel like you're going way faster than you actually are in this car, and because it's so small, it does pull hard. It's nice. I watched so many videos of this car before trying to search to buy one, and everyone was saying just about how fun they are, and I can confirm this car is fun. As far as things go, this is what you would call a pocket rocket or a street legal go-kart for sure. Speaker pumping through the noise, it keeps consistent even at that higher rev range, and everything else in the car is a little bit louder. It's good. I like it. I think in terms of first impressions, first thing I was worried about this car was the fact that I'm quite big, again 6'1", quite wide. I thought I wouldn't have much room. It's actually really spacious in here, at least in the front. It pulls for a small car. It's not the fastest car ever. Listen to that. While we're here, auto start stop for the fuel economy, which you can turn off over here. Heated seats, the radio, built-in phone mount on here with a USB cable behind it. Lovely GTI steering wheel. In fact, the plastic, if you can see it, is still on. That's how new this car was. I bought it pre-owned though. Lovely interior here. At night, this actually lights up red across the dash. I love the tartan seats. I think they're really cool. Yeah, it's a nice place to be. Exposed metal, again, not too bad. That truck's gonna enjoy those country roads. Try to get a bit of a pull at these lights. It pulls pretty well. It's like a fun pull. You know what, as well, side note, there's any rattles you might be able to hear on the mic are really just stuff I might have laying about in the car, like my backpack, stuff in my backpack. There's no rattles. It's very solidly built. Like, yes, all the plastics are hard. Steering wheel is kind of like nice and soft, but all the plastics are hard. But you know what? For the price of this car, yeah, it doesn't even matter. Because another point is, when I was looking to buy one of these cars, I know that new in today's current prices, these are roughly £16,500. So if you go in knowing that this is not going to be a Mercedes AMG inside, that it's not going to be a Golf, even a Golf GTI inside, once you accept that and just know what it is, that's whenever it can meet your expectations. I mean, I went into this, I didn't expect any of that, and it's met my expectations 100%. I've only had it for like a couple of days. I haven't really put many miles on it. I was saving it for this video, so this is a real kind of first impressions. But that's been enough of me talking in this video. Again, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. If you have an Up GTI or you're looking to get one, this is a good channel to follow, as well as a couple other exciting car related things coming up.